Ready for another Cool Tool Tuesday? Let's dig in the box, see what we can't find. This one looks kind of cool. So here we are. Cool Tool Tuesday. It's an Atlas pipe wrench. This is the 10-inch. I guess they came in a 10-inch, an 18-inch, a 24-inch, and a 36-inch, all doing different sizes. The 10-inch here, it says it can go from 1/4-inch wire up to a 1-inch pipe, and it's adjustable, so you just flip this lever here, and this adjusts your different sizes. Go up to an inch here. Now that's a patent date. That doesn't mean that's a manufacture date. In fact, that would be, well, after your patent was granted, because you got to get notification from the patent office and then change the tooling to reflect your patent date. So see, the teeth on this is really good, but the patent date and the manufacture date will not always match. Will not ever match, I guess I should say. They did do an updated patent on this on October 2nd, 1900, when it was grounded. So this would be the earlier one, because it doesn't reflect 1900. And the latest mention I could find on these wrenches was 1904. So this is, 120-year-old wrench, if not more. But anyway, here's my Atlas pipe wrench. Thank you for watching.